作为我们上里的东道主，我们是第一次和巴基斯坦合作，我们期待有一个精彩的碰撞和呈现。每个国家的烟花都像他们的文化一样，有自己的性格。法国的浪漫，俄罗斯的豪华，这让我们看到烟花艺术的边界是如此的广阔。通过这种交流，我们的产品设计和艺术表现力会更强，能更好地满足全球不同市场的需求。事实上，在这次活动的前后，我们已经接到了来自欧美和南美的新订单，预计能推动公司出口增长15%左右。
通过这次合作，加深了我们东中巴的友谊，同时在一些烟火的编排上面，大家有了更进一步的交流，提高这个燃放的相关的一些水平，同时让我们了解了巴基斯坦的一些风土人情。对于我们出口产品这块的订单，我们也是有深一步的合作的。
It's a good effort, and it's a prime moment for us. We have showcased our skill at international global platform in China, and it's a good relationship between the two countries, and it's.
Well, my first impression was that A, it is very new, and B, it's very big, and it is very well organized, and the museum also very nice that goes with it.
То есть мы хотим вызвать у всех людей, которые смотрят наше шоу, эмоции души, эмоции сердца, эмоции мечты, те, которые обязательно сбудутся.
We like this competition. Thank you for invitation, and I hope next time we will have one more chance to make one more performance.
So this opportunity was very interesting because I think Shangli brought a cultural bridge with the outside world, with Russia, with Pakistan, and England, even France. So that was a very, very nice organization and very high standard. So Shangli is the center of the world today.